Hi everybody, today we're using the Flitz Calcium Rust and Lime Remover. This is my favorite cleaner to get soap scum off a shower. As you can see here, if you look through this, it's pretty grimy. We got a lot of buildup in here, so this is going to be great to show how well this works. This is a salt-based product, so it's best to put it on a cloth and apply it that way so you don't get it on the grout, because if you get it on the grout or the tile, you need to go ahead and wash that off with some water. So today I'm going to be focusing on the glass and the metal and cleaning that. So the first thing that I do is just put a little bit of this cleaner on a clean cloth, and then just really rub it down. See how easy that really cuts through that grime and build up. So once you get that, I'm just going to do it one more time just to make sure I didn't miss any spots right here. Once I get the grime off, I go ahead and take just a cloth that has a little water on it and just hit that, focusing again on the glass and the metal with this today. You can see that, and it comes right off. Now I'm going to go from here and I'm going to move down. If you can see me, like, see how the difference is between those. So now I like to use this on the rails too, because the rails get nasty and gross in every shower. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like when we use that on the rail. So you can come down and you can see here we have a lot of buildup that's happened on this rail. So I'm taking the same cloth that we were using above, that same Flitz cleaner, just go ahead and give it a wipe. You can see how easy that comes right off. And again, once we use the cleaner, we want to go over that with just a wet, damp cloth, just some water on that again. And there you go, effortless. Hi everybody, so now that we've cleaned the soap scum off, I like to use this Flitz ceramic sealant. I actually started using this in my car, and it worked so well on the glass that I decided to try it on the shower, the glass shower door, and it's perfect for that. This really helps the water just bead right off, and it makes it so you can go longer between cleaning. So I really appreciate that about this product. What I do is I spray this on the cloth again, because I've learned that if you get it on the floor and it gets wet, it gets very slippery. So not ideal for when you're in the shower. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna apply this right to the glass, like that. Once you get that on, then you wanna take a dry cloth, or what I do is I take a dry cloth and I just wipe that dry then with the second clean microfiber. That's what I'm using. And there you go. Because this product is made for all types of materials, it's quartz, granite, ceramic, all those, I have learned that I really like using it on my tile too, because it really helps bead the water off and help the grime, or prevent the grime from building up on the material. So like I said, because it works on so many materials, it's even good for the hardware, and it helps that bead right off. So you can put it on your shower, bathtub hardware, and it's perfect for preventing buildup as badly. So there we go. I'm gonna put that on. There you go.